Hi, Daniel Parsons, parsonsmarketing.net and iTeraCare healthblower.com. You can contact me, Daniel at parsonsmarketing.net, and the referral links are back up. And I want to show you a couple of things right here. Um, Underneath the bottom right-hand side of your home screen, you've got your top up link is first. Let's say you want to top up and buy a premium device for your family. You would do it right here if you don't have enough in your bonus wallet or your register wallet, or if you want to pay 1 month's maintenance. I have a Rumble channel with all kinds of trainings on everything about the iNetwork from Prife International. Okay. And then below the top up link is your referral link. Okay. So you would just copy this link. And what I recommend is that you buy a domain name. I have onlinebizgroup.net. And so this link right here is redirected whenever somebody types in the internet search onlinebizgroup.net, they're going to get this sign up link. Okay. So when you click on that, you're going to get your register page. Okay. Now, I've got several people, and I want to keep the video short, but I can show you multiple failures of the checkout process. And what's going on is the bank is in Malaysia, and if your debit card is being used, I say 90% of the debit cards get rejected. Only a few will go through. And that the few is the people that they're doing a lot of business online and they travel overseas. And so they use their card overseas. And so they don't have restrictions on their debit card. Those are the ones that work. Okay. But there's solutions. If your debit card's not working and you still want to get iTeraCare Classic, or the premium, or the pro. And I can get you any one of those devices to your house within 1 week. Okay. Uh, the exception is Australia. I'm sorry. I there's a You need to contact me for Australia, Daniel at parsonsmarketing.net. That situation is a different process. I can get you fairly quick shipment. However, it's just too long and complicated to go into. So, um, that being said, if you use a credit card, these referral links should work. I got a email back in January when I joined in January 2022, and Capital One said, "Are you making a $350 purchase with Prife International?" And I said yes, and then the payment went through to my sponsor, and he enrolled me. Okay, so what I want to show you right now is that you can still send money to Prife International's PayPal account, and you can use your debit card that way. And then you send me the receipt, and then I load it into my top up register wallet. Okay. I do this right here. Okay. And I have, uh, for, I guess, since June the 16th of 2022, I've done many uh, of those registrations that way. Okay. So, uh, the last thing I want to share with you is that when you go in and do your order, you'll get your username and your password. And look at that second email I send you after I send the how to use the blower guide. The other email is all about your back office. And this is where you'll find your product order report. And this is where you can register your device warranty. Okay. And for those of you that are in the business, the first week or so I started in this business, I was starting to get $90 and $100. And Then it started growing. I've been getting very healthy. I'm going to keep that information private, but very healthy weekly deposits into my Bank of America. So this is what you do right here, wallet withdrawal, and you just click on that. And so you can also transfer your registered wallet to somebody else in your team. You can convert your bonus wallet to your registered wallet. There's so many functions in here. So I've got all of these in a Rumble training on the iNetwork channel on Rumble. And then also anything about the devices, I've got that on the iTeraCare channel on Rumble. So that being said, don't forget to keep your maintenance current. I also have a Rumble video about that. And I'm moving away from YouTube because I put up a training video on YouTube and they took it down. And they said I was bullying. And how, when you're training somebody how to do this, how is that bullying? We live in a really strange world. One last thing. Today is the 28th of July. I am moving, so I'm just not going to be able to answer the phone. That office landline phone number 360-673-5357. That is no longer going to be used. I'm going to go straight to my mobile device, and that number is with my Telegram. And speaking of Telegram, let me go there right now and show you. You can get me from anywhere in the world and talk to me free. This is my 500 member iTeraCare USA team group. And if you come and join this group, it's strictly testimonials about what your experience is, no secondhand testimonials. And that being said, more than happy to have you join us in here. And then I also have a private group. So, and that is strictly team building, people that are also building their team and the iTeraCare devices in the iNetwork business. So that being said, your referral links are working. Have people use a credit card. If they don't have a credit card, you can still do the pay to the Prife PayPal. Have them send you the receipt that they made that payment, the transaction ID, and you'll load that image up into the iNetwork like we've been doing since the 16th of June, 2022. Then they'll credit my registered wallet. Let's say you send me your receipt, and then I go in there and I enroll you. So that's the workaround. The other workaround is just Zelle me the money to my Bank of America or do a bank wire. We've got a very big team in the United Kingdom that's really taken off, and the lady there is just taking the funds for the devices and sending it bank wire to me, and then I go in and I do the registrations for her team. So that's it for now. I'll be more available by the end of the first week of August to be able to help you and get back to doing weekly testimonials and support. God bless you, and I appreciate your understanding during my moving period here. We're moving to a better house, a newer house, 1890 farmhouse to a 1924 house. So I'm so grateful. It's a really nice on the inside. God bless you. Bye for now.